People often believe that growing older automatically means losing strength, balance, flexibility, and energy. But those who spend time studying the habits of Japanese elders discover a very different reality. In small towns and peaceful neighborhoods of Japan, men and women over 60 move with a kind of grace that surprises most people. They do not rely on heavy exercise equipment or complicated gym workouts. Their secret lies in simple movements practiced daily, movements that awaken the body, improve circulation, and preserve natural strength. The body slowly becomes stiff when it is not used, much like a door that rusts when it is left unopened. Japanese elders understand this deeply, so they begin every day by gently waking up their muscles and joints. They treat movement not just as a workout, but as a form of daily nourishment, just like food or sleep. Their belief is simple: if the body keeps moving, life keeps flowing. The first movement they practice each morning begins from the feet. Standing tall, they slowly lift their heels and balance on their toes. This simple motion activates blood flow, stimulates the nerves in the feet, and strengthens the calves. With every repetition, they build better balance and stability, protecting themselves from falls, the biggest danger for aging adults. The idea is not to rush, but to feel the body strengthen from the ground up, just as a tree grows stronger from its roots. The second movement focuses on the spine, the pillar of the body. Hours of sitting in poor posture can slowly bend and weaken the back. To prevent this, Japanese elders gently twist their torso from side to side, letting their arms swing naturally like pendulums. These twists lubricate the spine, release tension, and improve digestion. The movement is slow, calm, and controlled. Breathing remains steady. The body loosens and stiffness fades away. Their third movement is designed to strengthen the hips and improve mobility. With age, the hip joints become weak and painful, making everyday actions like sitting and standing difficult. To avoid this, they practice controlled half squats. By slowly bending their knees and lowering their body just a little, they train the legs without placing stress on the joints. The purpose is not to go low like athletes do, but to maintain the ability to move freely in daily life. The fourth movement trains the shoulders and back, two areas that weaken quickly with age. Sitting in front of televisions or looking down at phones causes rounded shoulders and a stiff neck. To fight this, Japanese elders raise their arms overhead and stretch them as if trying to reach the sky. They open their chest widely, allowing fresh air to enter the lungs. This movement activates the muscles that support posture, helping keep the body tall and confident. The fifth movement builds core strength, which is essential for stability and balance. They lift one knee at a time toward the chest while standing. This motion wakes up the abdominal muscles and trains the body to maintain balance while moving. It may look simple, but it is highly effective for preventing weakness in the midsection, which can lead to back pain and bad posture. Their final movement is a deep breathing exercise that relaxes the body and mind. They inhale slowly, filling their lungs completely. Then exhale gently. This breathing calms the nervous system and reduces stress. Japanese elders understand that health is not only physical, but also mental. A peaceful mind keeps the body young. These 6 movements, practiced daily, create a powerful routine that supports long life and graceful aging. They require no equipment, no trainer, and no gym membership. What they do require is consistency and awareness. The body responds to what it is trained to do. If it is trained to stay still, it becomes weak. If it is trained to move, it stays alive.
Many people think they are too old to begin exercising, but this belief quietly steals their strength. The truth is, the body has an incredible ability to rebuild itself at any age, as long as it is given gentle stimulation. Japanese elders are living proof of this. They begin small and move slowly, but they never stop. They understand that aging is not a punishment. It is simply a stage of life that must be handled with wisdom. Their priority is not building muscle to look impressive, but building ability to live independently with dignity. These daily movements give them something more precious than physical strength. They give them confidence. Confidence to walk across a market without fear of falling, to climb steps without losing breath, to carry groceries without pain, to sit on the floor and stand again without help. Their bodies remain responsive and reliable because they never let a single day pass without movement. They believe motion is a gift and losing it is a choice. Modern life often steals movement from people. Machines lift loads, chairs keep us sitting, cars prevent us from walking. Comfort quietly becomes a trap. Muscles that are not challenged begin to shrink. Joints that are not moved begin to stiffen. Blood that does not circulate stops nourishing the body properly. Energy levels drop. Sleep becomes shallow. Mood declines. But the moment movement returns, life returns with it. These slow exercises may look simple to those who underestimate them, but inside the body, powerful changes are happening. The heart begins pumping stronger, delivering oxygen to every cell. The bones become denser, resisting the effects of aging. The joints release synovial fluid that works like natural oil, preventing friction and pain. Even the brain benefits, releasing hormones that sharpen focus and lift mood. Japanese elders often perform these movements in peaceful silence or with soft music. Their focus is inward, listening to the body. They do not force it. They do not compete with anyone. They move with respect for their age and condition, but they never use age as an excuse to give up. They know every repetition is a step toward longevity. Every stretch is a reminder that they are still alive and capable. Their secret is consistency. 5 to 10 minutes a day is enough to protect their mobility. They do not wait for motivation, they rely on discipline. They tie movement to daily routines. Before breakfast, after tea, before evening walk. These small rituals shape a lifestyle. They do not rely on doctors to save them later. They choose to protect their health now. A strong body is not built in a day. It is built in quiet moments of commitment. A healthy life is not an accident. It is the result of small choices repeated daily. The 6 Japanese movements are more than physical actions. They are a philosophy. They teach patience, balance, awareness, and self-respect. They remind us that health can be simple. No medicine can replace movement, and no shortcut can replace discipline. Those who feel weak today can become strong again. Those who feel old can become capable again. The body is always listening. When we take care of it, it responds. When we move it, it thanks us. Aging is certain, but suffering is not. Movement keeps the light inside us alive.